How to fix Forza Horizon syncing data stuck at 0% on Windows. 1. Sign out and sign back into Xbox app. 2. Restart all Xbox. Related services in Task Manager. 3. Make sure XBL Game Save Task is not disabled in Task Scheduler, task.msc. 4. Start your game offline. 5. Clear cache. 6. Enable/disable Intel Delayed Launcher via Task Manager. 7. Or reset Forza Horizon game. 8. Uninstall and reinstall Forza Horizon. 9. Contact Forza support.